Hey, what's up? It's Matt here with CFProTools, and in this video I'm going to show you guys a quick demonstration of a new add-on that we've created, and that is the International Product Swapper. So if you guys are having issues with forced products or international shipping, or maybe you're having issues with multiple products being sent over to Shopify or something, this might be a good alternative for you, as what it's doing is allowing you to kind of combine everything into one product, and then all the consumer has to do, or the buyer, is select what country they're in, and you set a domestic country. It might end an international country, so whatever you set as domestic will get one product. So if US is, in my case, is considered domestic, so I created a product here, and it says $9.97. Okay, great. Whatever product that is, it includes shipping. That's cool. And then if maybe I'm from the United Kingdom, that's overseas, that would be considered international. So if they select that, it might show the same product with a different fee, which is a different price, which is $27.97. So in this scenario, in this example, we're just considering this the same product, but it has a shipping fee included into the cost of this. So based on what country is selected, will determine what products that they see. All right, this will work on a one-step shipping scenario or shipping form like this, or it will work on a two-step shipping product as well. So a perk of using it on a two-step is the fact that they select the country on step one and then see the products on step two, so they won't actually know that there's two different sets of products. So, okay, hope this helps. If you have questions, of course, let us know. Please watch the tutorial videos. I've made a bunch of videos that show you exactly how to set this up step by step, and that will help demystify the entire process. Okay, hope this helps. I'm always there for you and support if you need anything. I'll talk to you guys soon.